Hello boys and girls, today we'll look into some of the amazing facts about these flying stingers. Wasps are incredible insects that play an essential role in nature. Despite their scary reputation, they are fascinating creatures with unique characteristics. Let's dive into the world of wasps and discover why they are so important. Many wasps have stingers that they use for defense. When a wasp feels threatened, it may sting as a way to protect itself or the colony. While stings can be painful, it's essential to respect their role in nature and admire them from a safe distance. These stingers come in various shapes, sizes and range of colors, including black, yellow, red, and even metallic hues. Their sizes also vary greatly, from tiny species measuring only a few millimeters to larger ones that can be several centimeters long. There are thousands of species, but the most common types are paper wasps, yellow jackets, and hornets. Each type has its own special features and behaviors. Like many insects, wasps go through a life cycle that includes egg, larva, pupa, and adult stages. The queen wasp lays eggs, and when they hatch, the larvae are fed by the adult wasps until they grow into pupae. Eventually, adult wasps emerge from the pupae and take on different roles within the colony. Some wasps live in colonies with a well-organized social structure. A colony typically consists of a queen, female workers, and male wasps. The queen is in charge of laying eggs, while the workers take care of the nest, forage for food, and protect the colony. Within this colony, communication is essential. Wasps use pheromones, chemical signals, to convey information to other members of the colony. These chemical signals help coordinate activities like foraging, defending the nest, and identifying the queen. Wasps exhibit different behaviors throughout the seasons. In the spring, new colonies are established, and the queen focuses on laying eggs. During the summer, colonies are at their peak activity, and by fall, new queens and males are produced. In colder climates, wasps face the challenge of surviving in the cold weather. In the winter, most of the colony, except for the new queens, typically die off. Some species, however, have developed strategies to overcome winter successfully, such as finding sheltered locations or hibernating in a state of dormancy. Not all wasps live in colonies. Some species are solitary, meaning each female builds her own nest and cares for her offspring independently. Solitary wasps are often less aggressive than their social counterparts. Wasps are excellent builders and create nests from paper-like material. Paper wasps, for example, chew wood and plant fibers to make a paste, which they use to construct their nests. Yellow jackets build nests in the ground, while hornets often create hanging nests high in trees. Most wasps are carnivorous, feeding on a variety of insects such as caterpillars, flies, spiders, pests that harm the crops. They capture and paralyze their prey with their stingers before taking it back to the nest to feed the developing larvae. However, they are also prey for birds, spiders, and other animals. Their role in the food chain makes them an essential part of the ecosystem. Wasps are agile and fast flyers. They can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, allowing them to quickly navigate their surroundings and catch prey. Wasps also play a role in pollination. While not as efficient as bees, some wasps transfer pollen as they visit flowers in search of nectar. This unintentional pollination helps plants reproduce and maintain biodiversity. While wasps are primarily carnivorous, they also have a sweet tooth. In the late summer and early fall, as their colonies grow and produce new queens, worker wasps become more interested in sugary substances. This is when they can become more noticeable around different plants and human food sources. In conclusion, wasps are remarkable insects that contribute to the balance of nature in various ways. Despite their intimidating appearance, understanding their behavior and role in the ecosystem helps us appreciate and coexist with these important creatures. So, the next time you see a wasp buzzing around, remember that it's a tiny architect working to keep our natural world in harmony. Also remember to avoid unnecessary interactions and admire them from a safe distance. I hope you have enjoyed learning some cool facts about these colorful stingers. Keep exploring, kids, and help us grow by sharing this video and subscribing to this channel.